All right, welcome everybody to RDR Sports Cards. We are live. It is Sunday, August 23rd, 2015. We've got our last box of this first case going to Jamison. He is hunting for the RPA, so let's get it for him. Let's get him the sick hit that he wants. Good luck, Jamison. All right. Oh, still stuck. All right. Empty. Let's get it. Empty. Leave that there. All right. I like to roll it this way. Empty. All right. Let's do it. All right. Markieff Morris for the Phoenix Suns, 1 out of 25. Markieff Morris, 1 out of 25.
That's nice. The blue.
The Golden Debuts printing plate from Golden State Warriors, that is TJ Warren. It is the Cayenne plate, 1 out of 1. All right.
Oh, that's other. Okay.
Joe Harris for the Cleveland Cavaliers, 24 out of 99. 24 out of 99. Can't get the focus, but I will move on for you.
That's a nice patch. Or nice sleeve rib.
NBA Game Gear David Robinson, 91 out of 99. 91 out of 99 NBA Game Gear. Sorry about the focus, but as you requested, I will roll through. Ooh, nice patch here.
Wow.
It's a nice patch. It's Draymond Green for the Golden State Warriors. 24 out of 25. Nice prime patches. But 24 out of 25. No focus, but I will move on for you. Okay. First auto. Walter Davis. Walter Davis, Signature Materials, 73 out of 75 for the Phoenix Suns. Let me try to get some focus on this one for you. There you go. Nice on-card auto. Single color patch. 600 Panini points. 600 Panini points. All right, so we've got Tim Hardaway for the Golden State Warriors, 8 out of 25. Tim Hardaway for the Golden State Warriors, 8 out of 25. Vince Carter, 36 out of 49 for the Memphis Grizzlies. 36 out of 49. For the Memphis Grizzlies.
That last one is.
And the rookie patch. Cleanthony Early, 7 out of 10 for the New York Knickerbockers. 7 out of 10.
That is a sick patch.
That is a sick patch. Nice on card. We'll get that one.
I think that's the N in the.
It's in the Knicks, yeah. All right, we'll get your video uploaded and we'll get you all shipped out. Thank you so much, Jamison.